company was actually established in 2005. Now, the floor area of this factory is around 3,179 square meters. They focus on manufacturing educational toys like bricks, like puzzle bricks, puzzles, kids' chair and table, bed, fidget toys, all these little novelty toys such as cubes, all these different small toys that we actually know and love and really familiar with. They produce these as well. They've been in the business for 16 years in the manufacturing business of these toys that I just mentioned. Now, they also export into other countries outside China, such as USA or North America, Europe, and Asia in general, and other regions around the world. All right, talking about safety reports and standards certification, actually behind me are a bunch of certificates here. I just like to highlight some of them. Actually, what I have here is their ISO 9001 certificate, their ISO 14001 certificate. That means this factory is actually certified. Also, they have different national, which means local here in China, certifications, test reports, and all these things. Behind me is actually an injection molding machine. This is fully automated. And now, the advantage of having a fully automated injection molding machine is it has better yield and it can produce 2 to 3 times more than a conventional injection molding machine. So this is actually what you call an assembly line where they sort everything. So they have bits and pieces of parts, right? So she gets specific number of what do you call these pieces, and then she's gonna put it in a plastic bag when she's done, and then she's gonna pass it on. At the end of this line is gonna be the quality inspector. Now the quality inspector weighs each bag. He weighs each bag, and there should be a specific number. That means everything seems to be correct. So it's not only about weighing them, checking if it's accurate, like they have the exact amount of pieces, for example. There's also ocular inspection, which means they also check visually. All right, so after being produced from the injection molding machines, it doesn't end there because we have quality inspectors. Now they do have 5 to 7 professional workers who are in charge of this, like our friend over here. He's checking randomly, all right? He's checking randomly every yield that's been produced from this specific injection machine. So this is what our friend is doing right now, checking each or randomly of each item for imperfections. All right, so I'm here at Potential Toy Company Limited's Research and Development Facility. They also have another facility which is in downtown Wenzhou in their other office. So they have these 2 teams. Now with these 2 teams, they have 2 core senior engineers who lead the research and development team. They also develop their own molds as well. They can redesign their own molds based on the customer or the client's specification.